sometimes when I make these recordings, the first one I make, it cuts off the beginning. But that one gave me the sense that it's going to work. Like I said, last year in Algebra 2, we called these things parent functions. Parent functions. But if you look on the first page in the section of 1.3, they give you these 6 common functions. Okay, common functions. First one is a constant function, something like f of x or y equals a constant. I mean, in this case, you could see this is just an example because they had to put something on the graph, right? It looks like it's between 1 and 2. So maybe this one is f of x equals 1.5. So remember, when you have y equals a constant, that's a horizontal line. So the constant function just looks like a horizontal line. Okay, the identity function, f of x equals x, is like saying y equals x, which means whatever x is, y is the same thing. Kind of, you could just say y is identical. Whatever x is, y is identical. So every point on that line, every coordinate is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 0, 0, pi, pi, right? It's not just the integer number. Every point on there has an x coordinate and a y coordinate that are equal. Goes through the origin because it goes through 0, 0. Right? The absolute value function, this is one that we used a lot last year. We should remember that the absolute value is the v with the vertex at the origin. Okay, the square root function. So this one, y equals the square root of x. I mean, we've been working with domain a little bit already, right? We would know that the domain has to be x greater than or equal to 0 so that we're not taking the square root of a negative number, which is why this graph starts at the origin and it goes to the right. Right? It doesn't go to the left because it can't have negative x. And then understanding that we assume that this is the positive square root, then y has to be positive or 0. That's why it goes only up. It doesn't go down. Okay, the y equals x squared, the parabola with the origin, vertex at the origin. And this is y equals x cubed. So these are the common functions. I think there's some homework that they want you to refer to which common function is it that you're dealing with. So you would have to look at that. So let me stop there.